everyone, welcome to another episode of the prestigious Landed Home series by AEG Landed Dynamic Alliance. My name is Kevin Tan, and today we are back in this up-and-coming Lentor estate to show you this very unique Inter-Terrace with a huge plot of land space. Come, let's go. Situated at a very strategic location in the Lentor estate, the countryside walk is one of the more preferred, serene yet convenient part of the estate. This 3-story Inter-Terrace is a unit you don't get to see every day. Sitting on a well-sought-after southeast direction facing, this huge plot of land space of up to 3,600 square feet allows you to park up to 3 cars. And most importantly, you have an EV charger that is already installed, ready for you. Also not forgetting this nice chill-out area at the front car porch, where you can host your guests and relax over a nice glass of wine. There is also a nice koi pond which can be converted into a pool in the future. As we enter into the house, be greeted with a grand entrance into this 5 meters double volume hall, coupled with a majestic chandelier and a full marble flooring to give a luxurious touch to the house. This dining area is well situated at the corner, which signifies the importance of the family bonding time over a warm, delicious home-cooked dinner. This part of the house was newly renovated just 2 years ago. Serving as a family entertainment area, it is naturally littered with 2 skylights. This will also be a suitable space for another room in the future. This is definitely one of the best spots in the house. Imagine the potential you could do with this nice plot of great outdoor space at your yard area. There's a variety of options on how you can maximize this space, be it to create more living area for the family, or to keep it as an outdoor space for the pets or the children to run around. Let us take a quick look at the bedrooms upstairs. Here's the study room, which is currently used as a workstation. It could easily fit in a queen-size bed as well. Moving on to the master room, this is a very luxurious space equipped with your own walk-in wardrobe space and sheltered balcony as well. Imagine having your own fully equipped gym room inside the house, even better than staying in a condo. Look at the space of this room. We could even carve out 2 separate bed areas, or keep it as a huge junior suite. You can easily get to the Lentor MRT station within minutes, and be spoiled for food choices at the Mayflower and Ang Mo Kio Block 628 Wet Market and Food Centre. Bus stops serving numerous bus to town and various locations is just 3 minutes away. St. Nicholas Girls' School and Mayflower Primary are all within 2 kilometers radius. Ang Mo Kio Hub Shopping Mall is just 5 minutes drive away. That's where the whole family can hang out during the weekends. Moreover, the future Lentor Modern Mix development is just minutes away from the house. Once again, this is Kevin Tan from OrangeTee and Thai AEG Division. Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772, your compass for landed properties.